I found viral shorts ideas, analyzed top creators, generated ready-to-use scripts, and started building short-form content from scratch, all inside one AI tool. This is Virlo AI, an all-in-one short-form content research and creation platform designed specifically for YouTube Shorts and TikTok creators, agencies, and marketers. So, in this tutorial, I'll test Virlo's research tools, scripting features, and the content canvas to see how it actually helps in growing your social media. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first thing you'll want to explore is viral content discovery. This section shows you top-performing shorts and TikTok videos in real time. Instead of endlessly scrolling through social media trying to spot what's working, Virlo brings the best-performing content directly to you in one place. From here, you can quickly understand which formats, hooks, and video styles are going viral right now, and then use those same patterns or templates for your own content. What I like here is that the data updates daily, so you're not relying on outdated trends. As viral patterns shift, Virlo adapts with them, which helps you stay relevant instead of chasing trends that have already peaked. This alone saves a huge amount of time and lets you focus more on actually creating content instead of searching for it. Next, let's move to Outliers Detection, which is one of the most powerful parts of the platform. In this section, Virlo highlights videos that are performing far above the average in their category. These aren't just popular videos, they're content pieces that are massively outperforming expectations based on the creator's follower size. Virlo calculates a virality score, which looks at how many views a video gets relative to the size of the account posting it. Videos are then ranked based on this score, making it easy to spot content that's blowing up organically. This is especially useful for finding trends early, before they become oversaturated and everyone jumps on them. If you want to go even more targeted, the Niche Explorer helps you focus on specific content categories. Instead of guessing which niche might work, you can browse through areas like AI, travel, food, ranking content, lifestyle, and more. For each niche, Virlo shows key metrics like daily views, total views, and how performance is split between TikTok and YouTube. This makes it much easier to decide whether a niche is worth entering or not. You can quickly see where attention is flowing and which platforms are performing better for that type of content. You also get time filters, so you can analyze performance over the last 5 days, 1 week, or 1 month, depending on whether you want short-term momentum or longer-term trends. After identifying what's trending, the next step is understanding who is making it work. This is where Virlo's creator search comes in. From here, you can enter any TikTok or YouTube username. For example, you can search for creators like Mr. Beast and click Analyze to instantly pull detailed insights about the channel. Virlo shows you useful data like posting frequency, engagement rate, growth patterns, and even the best posting times. This helps you understand not just what a creator is posting, but how consistently they're posting and what's actually driving results. You can quickly spot which videos are outperforming others and what kind of ideas are resonating most with the audience. If you find a video you like, you can save it directly into your collection, which makes it easy to reference later inside the content studio. You can also generate multiple content ideas directly from a creator's profile. These ideas are original, ready to use, and designed to help you create content inspired by what's working without copying. The goal here isn't to copy anyone's content, but to adapt proven structures and apply them to your own ideas. This ties directly into Orbit Search, which works as a listening intelligence tool for short-form content across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You simply enter your query, choose the platform, and add keywords related to your niche or topic. Virlo then scans across platforms, collecting videos, engagement metrics, creator data, and emerging patterns. Once the results are in, you can explore the videos and use Virlo's AI insights to understand what's trending, which formats are gaining traction, and how audiences are responding. This makes it much easier to spot trends early and refine your content strategy based on real data instead of guesswork. Finally, there's collections, which act like a swipe file for your best ideas. Anytime you find a viral video worth revisiting, you can save it into a collection. Just click Create New Collection, give it a name, and you're done. These collections aren't just for storage. You can reuse them directly inside the Content Studio to generate completely new and unique scripts. This keeps your workflow organized and makes content creation much faster over time. Now let's move to the Content Studio, which is the core feature and the real powerhouse of Virlo AI. This is where your research and ideas actually turn into scripts, and where those scripts can later be converted into videos. If you've used Virlo before, you might recognize this area as what was previously called the Content Canvas. At first glance, the Content Studio can feel a bit tricky for beginners, but once you understand how it works, it becomes incredibly flexible. The entire system is built around a simple, node-based workflow. There are three main parts you'll work with: the input node, the AI processor, and the output node. The input node is where you add the content you want to adapt. This could be a video URL, a saved viral video from your collections, a block of text, or even a PDF file. You're not limited to one input either. You can attach multiple sources depending on what you're trying to create. Next is the AI processor, called V. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want. You can choose from multiple AI models, including Claude or GPT, depending on the style or depth you're aiming for. Think of this like chatting with ChatGPT, but inside a structured workflow where you're not just talking, you're also feeding it content and guiding how everything connects. Finally, the output node is where your script is generated. Once the nodes are connected, Virlo processes everything together and produces a clean, ready-to-use script. You can connect as many nodes as you want, which means you can experiment with different inputs, prompts, and outputs to shape your content exactly the way you want. What makes this powerful is freedom. You can paste a video link, upload a document, mix multiple references, or build an entire workflow from scratch. There are countless ways to use the Content Studio, and that flexibility is what allows you to generate something completely new instead of repeating what already exists. Once your script is ready, you can either copy it and use it later, or move directly into video generation, which is the next feature we'll look at. Once your script is ready, Virlo lets you move straight into media generation. Starting with audio. Creating audio here is very simple. You just paste the script you want to use, then choose from multiple available voices. After generating the audio, you can preview it instantly.
I wasn't expecting much at first, but this perfume genuinely surprised me. The opening is fresh and clean, not overpowering, and after a few minutes, it settles into this warm, smooth scent that actually lasts.
From my testing, the voices sound clear and natural enough for shorts and TikTok-style content. Next is video generation, which is where Virlo really opens up your workflow. Virlo AI can generate videos completely from scratch using the latest models like Sora 2 and Veo 3. To get started, you have two main options. You can either generate a video directly from a script or use an image to turn it into a video. For this tutorial, I'll generate a video using a script. You can paste in your own script or quickly generate one using ChatGPT and bring it into Virlo. After that, you select how many scenes you want, choose your preferred model or visual style, and then click Analyze and create scenes. Virlo breaks your script into scenes automatically, which you can then review and edit before finalizing the video. Once you're happy with the scenes, you can generate the final video. From my testing, the results look solid for short-form content. The visuals are consistent, the pacing works well for shorts, and the output feels usable without heavy editing, especially if your script is clear and well-structured. Finally, there's image generation, which works just as smoothly. You simply type in your prompt and hit generate, and Virlo creates the image for you. If you already have an image, you can upload it and edit it directly inside the platform. Once your content is live, Virlo also helps you track how it's performing. You can connect your YouTube and TikTok accounts directly to the platform, which brings everything into one centralized workflow. Virlo also includes goal tracking, which helps you stay focused as your channel grows. You can set different goals, like increasing views, improving engagement, or gaining more followers, and then track your progress over time. What's helpful here is that Virlo doesn't leave you guessing. It analyzes your channel performance and suggests realistic goals based on your data, while also guiding you on how to reach them more efficiently. Overall, this section ties everything together by turning your content efforts into measurable results instead of just posting and hoping for the best. Now let's talk about pricing. Virlo AI doesn't offer a free plan, so you'll need a paid subscription to get started. The starter plan begins at $49 per month and includes 1,000 plan credits, which is suitable if you're testing the platform or creating content at a smaller scale. The Pro plan is the most popular option and costs $149 per month, giving you 5,000 plan credits. Overall, Virlo AI works best as a tool for finding what's already working, turning those insights into original short-form content, and scaling your shorts creation process efficiently. So try out Virlo AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, check out this video next.